Welcome to Start with Stock, the channel where we break down investing, money, and wealth building into simple steps anyone can follow. Whether you have $100 or $1,000, this is where your journey starts. Every single week, we drop new videos teaching you exactly how to grow your money, avoid costly mistakes, and build real wealth from zero. Hit subscribe and let's get started. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing. They're wrong. You can start with just $100. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, even if you've never invested a single dollar in your life. Now, I know what you're thinking. $100 isn't going to make me rich. And you're right, not today. But here's the thing. Every single wealthy investor started somewhere. And the ones who started small, started early, are the ones winning right now. Stay until the end, because I'll also show you the mistake that costs most beginners years of growth. Here's the truth about money that no one teaches you in school. Every single year you leave your money sitting in a savings account, you are losing. Not because your bank is taking it, but because of inflation. Right now, inflation runs at around 3 to 4% per year. Most savings accounts pay less than 1%. Do that math. You're losing 2 to 3% of your money's value every single year just by doing nothing. The people building real wealth aren't smarter than you. They're not richer than you. They just started earlier, and they used one simple tool, the stock market, to make their money work while they slept. All right, let's talk about how to actually do this. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is just like a bank account, except instead of holding cash, it holds investments. The three best options for beginners are Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Robinhood. All three are completely free to open. No minimum deposit, no monthly fees. Here's what I recommend. Go with Fidelity. It's been around since 1946, it's trusted by millions, and it has the best tools for beginners. Go to fidelity.com, click open an account, enter your email, link your bank, and you're done. Takes about 10 minutes. That's it. You're in. Step 2, and this is the most important one, don't pick individual stocks. I know it's tempting. You see Tesla run up 200%. You see someone online brag about their crypto gains. But here's the cold, hard truth. 90% of individual stock pickers underperform the market. So what do you buy instead? An index fund. Specifically, look at VOO or SPY. These two funds track the S&P 500, the top 500 companies in America, all in one investment. When you buy one share of VOO, you're buying a tiny piece of Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tesla, and 495 other companies at the same time. $100 invested in the S&P 500 30 years ago would be worth over $1,700 today. Step 3, set up automatic investing. And this is the secret that most beginners never discover. Don't try to time the market. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. Instead, set up an automatic deposit, even $25 or $50 a month, and forget about it. Most brokerage accounts let you do this in the settings. Just pick a date, pick an amount, and it runs itself. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. When the market is up, you buy fewer shares. When the market is down, which it will be regularly, you buy more shares at a discount. Step 4, and this one is a game changer. Open a Roth IRA if you can. A Roth IRA is a special type of account where your money grows completely, 100% tax-free. Here's how it works. You put money in after you've already paid taxes on it. Then it grows for years or decades. And when you take it out in retirement, zero taxes. None. The government takes nothing. The contribution limit is $7,000 per year. But you don't need to max it out. Even putting your first $100 in there is a smart move. Step 5, and this might be the hardest one, leave it alone. The market will drop. I promise you it will drop. Maybe next month. Maybe next year. At some point, you're going to open your account and see your money is worth less than what you put in. That feeling is terrible. And most beginners panic and sell. That is the single biggest mistake in investing. Every single market crash in the last 100 years has been followed by a recovery. Everyone. The investors who lost money are the ones who panicked and sold at the bottom. The investors who got rich are the ones who held on. So here's your homework for this week. Step 1, open a Fidelity account. It's free and takes 10 minutes. Step 2, transfer your first $100. Step 3, buy 1 share of VOO or SPY. That's it. You're an investor now. You've done something most people your age will never do. If this video helped you even a little bit, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And subscribe if you want more videos breaking down money in plain English every single week. Drop a comment below telling me, are you Team Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood? I'll see you in the next one.